How to duplicate a clip in VN Video Editor. Duplicating clips helps speed up editing, and here's how to do it in VN Video Editor. First, tap on the clip you want to duplicate in the timeline. Now look for the duplicate or copy icon and tap on it. A copy of the clip will appear right after the original, ready to be moved or edited. You can duplicate multiple clips to create repeating sequences or effects. Use duplication to experiment with different edits without losing your original clip. What's your favorite use for duplicated clips? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can duplicate a clip in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.